how to fix your game purchase not showing in library. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is check your purchase confirmation. So check your email for the purchase receipt and order details and make sure the purchase was completed successfully. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and sign into the correct account. Make sure that you're logged in into the correct account where the game was purchased. If not, you can simply log out and log back in to be sure. If that is not the case, you want to go to your payment history and confirm the transaction was successful. If it's pending or failed, the game may not be added. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and refresh your library, close and reopen the client or app. This forces a sync with the server, and you can simply go ahead and restart the app. On console, you can restart your console itself. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check hidden or filter. So make sure that no filters or search are hiding the game. Check hidden or purchase tabs. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check for libraries and platforms. If you use multiple platforms, check the one where you actually made the purchase as well. And if that is not working, you want to simply go ahead and contact the support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.